The crow in the pandanus tree is obviously looking for food. Quite unspectacular. But then, as if it were the most obvious thing in the world, it chooses a leaf and sets about producing our mysterious tool. First, it rips off a thin strip. This is the tip. Slightly wider, the middle piece. And now the wide, comfortable handle. Perfect. A tool tailor-made to get in between the dense pandanus leaves, to wheedle out small snails or worms. Gavin can hardly believe his eyes. It's as if the crow wanted to put on a special show for him, confident and well thought out. But does it really understand how a tool works? This log arouses their interest, because August has placed special sandwiches in it. Mealworms in pistachio shells. Could pay off. There are also tools, skewers with flexible ends, like pipe cleaners. How mean. It is the wrong tool, completely unsuitable. Even though Agaios manages to maneuver the nut upwards with great skill. There's no way it will make it past this corner. No chance. Or is there? It might work like this. Brilliant! 2 at once. Oops. Back down to 1 again. But he definitely understands tools.